What's up? This is Noble. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you guys how I process dancehall vocals in Reaper. Let's go. So first thing I do is I do some subtractive EQ. And for that, back in Pro Tools, I used to use the stock EQ, but now in Reaper, I use the re-EQ or rear EQ. I do a high pass at 82 hertz to get rid of whatever rumble or something might be in it. I usually do a pre-processing before I start mixing. However, sometimes some low end might come through and you didn't realize. So I do have a low high pass. Next thing I do is I do a low cut at 181 hertz, another one at 373 hertz. That get rid of some muddiness. And then I do another cut, a low cut at 3.1 kilohertz. That's just to get rid of some of the harshness that I was hearing. Next, I use compressor. Now, the compressor that I like to use for this is the MCU, the MJCU Junior. That's from Hhmhh. It's a free compressor, however, it's very, very good. And it has like a bigger brother. However, I am not going to pay for that one. So I stick to the free one. Doesn't make any sense. Anyway. Then I do some DSing. I use the plugin alliance, the SPL, DSing for this. Not a lot of DSing, it's like maybe 4 decibels, 4 or so decibels. dB worth of DSing on that one. Then I do the heavy compression now. Because with the MJUC, I was just doing like maybe -1 to -2 dB compression. However, with the UAD 1176, sometimes I get around -3 to -5. It keeps popping up. Anyway, yeah, I get like -3 to -5 decibels of compression. Just try to level it out. Next step, another compressor. This one is now the L8 way, still from UAD. Again, I get like -2 to -5 dB compression on this one. What is the simplest compressor you can find? I can't take the stress, so I'll just use what I can easily use. Then I do some DSing. I get like -3 to -6 decibels of gain reduction with my DSing. Final step on the lead vocal is the plugin alliance console N, the Neve console. Now this one, I love it. I used to use the SSL channel, but ever since I started to use this one, it just does what I wanted to do. The compression is excellent. The compressor is just so smooth. The EQ is smooth. Everything is just smooth about it. I have another low high pass. I have boosting some of the highs at 8K. I'm boosting some 2.3, and I'm boosting some at 248. Well, I cut some of boost up. And also there's a little boost at 122. I'm actually cutting at 248. Not a lot, just like -0.5, but no. And also using the THT knob to give you some extra drive. Yeah, so that's the lead vocal. And then, of course, I have sends, vocal sends. I have a long reverb or a short reverb, quarter note and an 8-note delay. Then all that feeds to a all vocals track where I do some further enhancements. I have a novel tech vocal enhancer that's also from Plugin Alliance. You realize that a lot of my plugins are from Plugin Alliance because I pay for the subscription, so I'm going to use them as much as I can. Doing a little bit of enhancement in the like high mids. Not a lot of enhancement though. Also I have a fab filter Saturn where I'm kind of pushing the mid range between, it's from 131 to 4.2K. So I'm just giving like 20-some% of drive. Finally, I have a re-EQ again, stock EQ. I have it, I'm using it like a tilt EQ. I'm doing a low shelf cut at 192. I have a high shelf boost at 11K. Just kind of evening it out. That feeds to also a parallel compression / EQ track that I have here. With this track now, it's the Andrew Shep's trick, where he uses 2 pull techs and LA2A. The first pull tech, I'm cutting the low, doing a low cut at 100 hertz, and I'm boosting the highs at 12K with a fairly broad bandwidth. Next is a LA2A, where I'm kind of keeping the levels balanced, level, I guess. Finally, I have another pull tech where I'm boosting the lows. I'm not really messing with the highs. So yeah, that's how I process my dancehall vocals. Oh, for the ad-libs, there's also some ad-libs where I'm giving the ad-lib its own compression. I'm using this Barry Moon compressor from Analog Obsession, where basically a Barry Moon compressor, where I'm probably getting about -3 or so, -5 decibels of compression on it. I'm also giving it some reverb, long reverb, some delay and chorus. But yeah, that's how I process my dancehall vocals. So let's listen. So this is without the effects.
Ever clean, ever fresh. Cash it, so me no take check. So watch how you a step. If you follow me up, you will stress. Ever clean, ever fresh. Cash it, so me no take check. So watch how you a step. If you follow me up, you will stress. We roll out in at the drop back seat.
And then this now is with the effects activated.
Ever clean, ever fresh. Cash it, so me no take check. So watch how you a step. If you follow me up, you will stress. Ever clean, ever fresh. Cash it, so me no take check. So watch how you a step. If you follow me up, you will stress. We roll out in at the drop back seat.
So as you can hear, it's a little louder, a little more balanced, and also it does a little smoother. Yeah, so that's how I process my vocals in Reaper. If you guys have any comments, you can put them down below. If you have any questions you want to ask, you can also ask me them in the comments. You can also like and share. Hit the subscribe button for me. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.
Shit, so me no take check.